What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Miss Delight from Poppy Playtime. For today's lesson we'll need a sketch pad and something to draw with. I'm using this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. You can find more details through the link in the description below. Now I want to start off by blocking out the basic shape of the head. Let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We'll start from the very top of the middle. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Let's go back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now we want to use these two lines to help us create a circle in the center of our page. From that center point, let's move up. It's going to mark off the top of our circle right about here. Let's measure that same distance from the center down towards the bottom. And it'll do the same thing across this horizontal line. So measure the distance from the center over towards the left and then the right side. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So we'll start at the top left, and the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. We'll always go back and just smooth this out. Now with this portrait, we're going to be tilting the head up, so the eyes are going to sit along the top half. So let's connect the side of our circle with a curve. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then back down. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes. So from that center line, let's move over toward the left, draw a short line going up, take that same distance over towards the right. Now from this point, we're going to curve the top of the eye. We're going to go up and bring that down towards the side like a half circle. Do the same thing on the right. We want to go up towards the same height and then bring that back down. Now I want to round out the bottom of the eyelid, coming across and then up. Now from here, we want to pull the pupils down towards the bottom. So we'll start from the inside, draw another smaller half circle, coming all the way around. Let's add a fold underneath each eye, coming down and then back up. From the outside of the eye, let's curve the mouth, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Round out the bottom, just up above the bottom of our circle, and go up on the right. Let's go back up to the corners of the mouth, bend this in and then down towards the bottom. Now the gums are going to start along this line, so we're going to step down, draw another line going across. From the bottom, let's step up, add a curve, coming down and then up. I'm also going to place the tongue along the bottom, so we're going to add a half circle. Now let's move up to the top and add some shape to the hair. Directly above the right eye, from the top of our circle, let's come across and then out. Go outside the side of a circle and then down. Let's draw the outside. I'm going to start from this point, going up, go all the way around, and then down towards the bottom. Now from here, I want to continue this curve coming in towards the side of the head, and we'll add a curl, drawing a little circle along the bottom. Let's move up, draw the outside of that curl, going around, down and in, and then up underneath the head. Let's draw the right side of the hair, starting from this point, going all the way around, come down and then in, and we'll add that swirl across the bottom. Let's draw the outside of the hair, coming down around that swirl, and then back in. Now let's add a little bit of detail to the neck and shoulders. We're going to draw two straight lines coming down the middle, pull this down and in towards a V. And then from the corners of the neck, just going to slope the shoulders coming down and out towards the bottom of our page. Now on the top left side of the head, we're going to add the bow. Curve this up and in, bend this down, go back to the bottom, go up and out towards the left, and down towards the head. Now with our rough sketch in place, let's go back and erase some of these guidelines. Now we're going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more detail and refine the shape. Let's start with the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to add some folds across the bottom, starting from the inside, going across and then down, stepping back and just adding some layers going out towards the outside of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just adding these folds, going across, and then drawing the top of the eye. You want to add some thickness across the top. Let's add that fold along the inside. So starting off a little bit thinner along the inside, going darker across the bottom, and then out towards the corner of the mouth. Now from here, it's going to work our way across the edge of that scar, going around the eye, add a few cracks, going up towards the top of the hairline, and back in on the right side. Got a couple more folds going out. And then from here, it's going to work our way in towards the edge of the gum line. And then from here on the left, we're going to add a curve for the socket of the teeth. Just working our way across towards the right. I'm going to go back and just trace out the outside of the pupil. And then along the bottom, we draw a small circle for highlight. And then you're going to darken up the top of the pupil and just fade that down towards a glare, going around that highlight. Now we're going to go back down and just add some more detail to the teeth, just separating them in the center and just pulling them back up towards the gums. Just working our way out towards the side. And from here we're just going to add some folds along the outside of the face. A few cracks across the bottom. Now we're going to work our way across the bottom of the gum line, from left to right, and then we'll separate out the teeth. Now I'm going to go back and just round out the cheeks. Just pull that in towards the bottom. And going up along the side of the head, up towards the top. Now from here we're going to add a little bit of texture to the hair. Just coming out across the bottom, and then along the side of the head, we're just going to add a little bit of texture, just follow that same curve, going around. And we're just going to work our way across the top. I'm just going to roughen the detail across the shoulders and neck. Not getting too detailed with this. Working our way down towards the body. Let's go back and clean up our drawing one final time before we add some shading. I'm going to use the side edge of my pencil to add some shadows, starting underneath the hair. I'm just going to blend this out, adding some rough texture as we go. Also along the inside edge of the hair. and the swirl. Let's darken up the inside of the mouth, going around the tongue and teeth. I'm going to gradually fade that out towards the side. Go back and just layer a few more details on top of our sketch. And as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more detail. And always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Miss Delight from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.